you're a complete beginner, you need to get into Shopify Dropshipping. The reason being is because what's up, guys? My name is William Rivera. Welcome back to the channel if you're part of the family. But if you're new here, in this channel, we talk about making money online, specifically with Shopify Dropshipping and with Amazon FBA wholesale. And in this video, what we're going to be talking about is why you need to be selling products online in 2022. All right, guys, now to start off, I just want to say that I've been doing e-commerce for around 4 to 5 years now, and what I'm going to be talking about in this video hasn't changed really since I started, right? And a lot of times we get in our own way from starting an online business. So because I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you want to get into selling products online, but you're probably skeptical. So you decided to browse through YouTube, watch some videos, and try to, clear your head a little bit, right? And I know that because that's where I was 4 years ago. And there's a lot of, YouTubers out here talking about the same info, but you don't know who's giving good advice. You don't know who's giving bad advice.
Detroit Urban Survival Training.
So I just want to say up front in the beginning of this video that I've been doing this for 4 to 5 years, and I've actually earned one of these awards back here. Let me pull the award. Give me one second. Actually, it's right in front of me. I actually earned this award right here on making, and this award is a 2 Comma Club award if you don't know. It says right here, membership into the 2 Comma Club award for earning over $1 million with ClickFunnels. And I earned this award because my program, Ecom Degree University, has helped over 10,000 people make money online, all right? I've helped people from all over the world, Germany, Australia, Africa, United States, United Kingdom, because it doesn't matter where you live when it comes to using these strategies. And I'm gonna start with explaining Shopify Dropshipping first and why you need to do this if you're a complete beginner, okay? Now, understand that this is never going to get saturated, guys. When I started e-commerce back in 2017, I was seeing YouTube ads of people literally saying dropshipping is dead, dropshipping is saturated, and I almost let those YouTube ads stop me from getting in this industry. And if I would have let that fear and that skepticism stop me from getting into e-commerce, I don't know what I'd be doing. I'd probably still be working at an Amazon warehouse, and my back would probably be messed up. I'd probably be walking like this, and I'd probably be still living with my dad or my grandpa, and depressed and broke and a bunch of other stuff, right? So luckily I didn't let myself get in my own way, and I didn't let what people were saying on YouTube and what people were saying that weren't actually even making money online, I didn't let them discourage me. And you're gonna see a lot of that stuff right now because people just like to hate. People don't like seeing other people be successful, and I wanted to let you know right now that you shouldn't listen to anyone that's not getting the results you want in life. And sometimes that means not listening to your mom, sometimes that means not listening to your dad, but you should only listen to the people that are getting the results you want. So if making $1 million isn't impressive to you, then you probably shouldn't be listening to me. But if you haven't made $1 million yet, then I suggest you listen to this video, right? So number one, if you're a complete beginner, you need to get into Shopify Dropshipping. The reason being is because Shopify Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without ever having to keep inventory of the item, without having to use your own money, and without having to ever touch the product or ship the product to your customer. This was the perfect business model for me a couple years ago because I was broke. I didn't want to buy inventory up front because I didn't have the money to buy inventory up front. And I liked the idea of being a middleman and literally just listing the product on my website for a little bit more and buying it for a little bit less once I had already received the customer's money, and simply just middlemaning that process, right? And through that process, I was able to make my first $100,000 profit at the age of 19 selling a simple product called the distance bracelet. And I'm gonna pop it up right here so you guys can see what it is, but that product was able to generate me that much money, okay? And there's billions of products out here that you can sell. Thinking that you're not going to be able to find a product and thinking that you're not going to be able to capitalize off something is like saying that there aren't ever new trends. There's literally a new trend every single week. And with platforms like TikTok and even YouTube, it's very, very easy to find these trendy and winning products. And I actually have a whole video dedicated to finding products, and I'm gonna put it right here so you can click on it and watch it. It's literally a 30-minute course on product research. So you can go and find products. Now you don't have an excuse. But it's not that hard to find these trendy and viral products that you can then set up a Shopify store for, which is very easy to do as well. Shopify is very user friendly, and they allow you to create websites in less than an hour with their free templates, their free themes that make it very easy for anyone to make a site. And then you can list that product on your Shopify store and immediately start selling to these customers. Now, I know you're probably wondering, like,
Okay, but where do I get these products? How do I get a supplier?
and there's a lot of places that you can get suppliers. You got AliExpress, you got CJ Drop Shipping, you got Alibaba, and there's a couple other sites as well. But I started out using AliExpress, and AliExpress gets this bad rap of long shipping times, hard to communicate with the sellers, and this, that. It's just lazy people that are saying that, guys. AliExpress, as long as you message the supplier, communicate with them, get them off the AliExpress platform, because you got to understand they're getting messaged by people that aren't serious all the time. So message your AliExpress supplier, say, hey, I'm interested in doing long-term business with you. I have an e-commerce store set up already in the US or wherever you live. Can we please continue this conversation on WhatsApp? And then send them your WhatsApp number. If you don't have WhatsApp, download it. It's free. Take the communication there. They're going to take you way more seriously. So boom, once you start communicating with your supplier on AliExpress, and it's very easy to communicate with them. Literally, if you click any product on AliExpress, it'll have the seller's contact info. And there's going to be like a send a message button. You click that, send them a message. Boom. Now you're communicating with them. Once you're communicating with them and you find out what the true shipping time is, what the true price is, now you can start, listing that product on your Shopify store, which is easy. You can download an app called Oberlo that lets you import products from AliExpress to your store. And then now it's on your store. Make your store look nice, design it. Very easy to do as well. Now you just need to run traffic to your store, because obviously, if you create a Shopify store and you put a product on there, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get traffic to your website. You need to run Facebook ads or TikTok ads or YouTube ads. You need to run some type of paid advertising to get customers to your store. Now, luckily for you, I have a 30-minute Facebook ads tutorial on YouTube on this channel that's literally going to walk you through how to run Facebook ads for your Shopify store with a $3 a day budget. I know everyone here has $3 that they can spend a day, and if you don't, go get a job. All right. When I started out dropshipping, I had a job. I had a little bit of cash flow coming in, and I was reinvesting all that money into my Shopify dropshipping store. And eventually I was able to quit my job because I was making enough cash flow from my store to support myself, my bills, and all that. Right. And I talk about that in other videos. But guys, Shopify dropshipping is what I started out with. It allows you to start with the least amount of money. And it's a very simple business model that is never going to go away. In fact, Sam Walton was using the dropship business model back in the 1900s, before he even started Walmart. Okay, so dropshipping's been around for a long time. It is not going anywhere. In fact, if you want to learn step by step how to do this, how I did it, and how I did Amazon wholesale, which is opening up wholesale accounts with big name brands like Fiji and selling their products on Amazon, if you want to learn both of those business models step by step, like me walk you through all of it, I'm actually hosting a free workshop on Sunday that you can attend. Again, it's completely free. You don't have to, but if you're actually serious about this and you want to be in a workshop where I'm going to go through everything step by step for 2 hours, I'm not going to post a 2-hour YouTube video because that would just be too much work. But I'm going to be going live on this workshop for 2 hours, showing you how to do everything. If you want to be a part of that, the link is down below in the description. If you're watching this video right now, I'll hurry up and click on that button, because we only have 2,000 virtual seats every Sunday, and those seats usually fill up pretty fast. Hopefully the link's still working for you. Click that link and sign up for Sunday's free workshop if you're interested in learning step by step. But I hope this video kind of gave you a clear explanation on how Shopify dropshipping works and why it's a good business model. I know I didn't go into direct detail on it, but that's because I host those free workshops on Sunday, and I just wanted to clear the air on how everything works and why you need to get into Shopify dropshipping in 2022. So I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I hope to see you in the workshop on Sunday. Peace.